Curtis, thanks for joining us today. And before I even talk to you, let me just say thank you so much for the hard work that you've done. I mean, you have just done yeoman-like service in this.
Dr. Phil, it's been a classic team effort. The help from your show, her mother and father are with her all the way. She's working closely with them. She's working closely with the DCF folks. They very much admire her sincerity and her commitment to the family plan that we agreed to back in November. So yes, sir, we're making great progress there and hope to continue doing that.
And I understand that the criminal charges that were pending against you have been completely dropped.
Yes, sir.
All right, so...
Today is to deal with the outstanding arrest warrant. We want to disprove their charges. We also want to prove your fitness as a mother to maintain custody of your children.
How are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you doing it?
Just rolling with the punches.
And there have been some punches thrown, right?
Absolutely.
At this point, Curtis, was this a case of mistaken identity? Where are we with all of this?
Dr. Phil, federal prosecutor for 17 years. I've looked at hundreds of warrants. I can assure you this was a bad warrant. It was a defective warrant. The information in the affidavit was not correct. The police did not do their job to properly investigate it. We got her surrendered on Sunday. I expect the state attorney to drop the case. The real tragedy is that warrant, coupled with the anonymous information that DCF had, has at least temporarily led to the loss of her children.
Right now, you don't have access to Nathan or Layla, either one.
I have supervised visitation as long as I comply with the following orders that the court has provided for me, which I have.
Well, what are those conditions?
Supervised visitation until she finishes a substance abuse course that's scheduled here shortly. She's already had one clean drug test. So as soon as she finishes that, she gets unsupervised visitation with her children. As I best understand it now, it's anonymous. We were prepared to rebut it. I don't think it's true. I met the young man. Hope it's not true. Advocate or not, this is all about what's best for the children. Alex would not want me to advocate for anything that might harm them.
Tony.
Parties come to an agreement that they can live with, and they present that to the court. Is it possible or likely that the court would smile upon that?
The right type of agreement, the right type of compliance with the order that's already in place. I think the court would look favorably upon an amicable resolution by the parents as long as the court is satisfied as to the safety of the child. At
this point, then you would be willing to avail yourself of that help, right? Would have somebody that would help put all that together and negotiate that for you right there in your hometown. Precisely, Dr. Phil. That's exactly where your family can provide assistance to this family. They are obliged to enroll in a parenting class, but having the auxiliary assistance of your show and your expertise would be tremendous. Curtis, thank you for being with us again today.
Yes, sir.
Curtis Fallgatter. I really want to thank attorneys Lisa March, Sung Lee, and Curtis Fallgatter. Guys, it's so refreshing to deal with people that advocate for their clients but do it in constructive ways. I mean, it's just, we need more of that in the system. And I'm fans of all three of these attorneys. I'm going to put links up to them where you can find out more about them. Go to drphil.com where I have posted mistakes to avoid when divorcing, because there's a right way and a wrong way to do that. You can visit my blog, Turning Point.